Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have another review for you for something that I think is very, very useful. And it's this right here, is this tower surge protector. This right here is actually replacing all of these that I have here. Basically, I usually have these like laid out on the desk here. But I think this right here is great for like on top of your desk. You can even put it on the floor. But let me show you how this looks right here. I mean, this thing spins right here. I have a lot of things already plugged in and I didn't want to unplug everything to make this video. Anyways, you can kind of see like how this like works here. Now you have 15 of these outlets, okay? This right here. And I actually have so many things plugged in. I have speakers plugged in. I have my portable heater plugged in. I have tons of phones plugged in. I have other lights, LED panels, that's all hooked up to here as well. So there's basically 15 of these outlets. So you have 15 of these, plus you have 2 of these USB ports down here as well. So it's 4, 4, 4, and 4. So each side has 4 of these outlets here, except for one side, it only has 3, and it has 2 USB ports here on the bottom. So the cool thing about this is it's not going to take up too much space like on your desk or like on the floor. It's basically just like straight up. It's pretty light. The power cord is quite long. It comes at 5.9 feet, so almost a 6 feet, nice long cord. It does come with overload protection. You do have these on-off switches too, right here. Basically, if you wanted to save electricity, I guess you can turn these on, off. I just leave mine on all the time, but each side, each level here, you can go ahead and turn this off, on or off, and you can see the lights that, you can see the lights when it's on. I'll turn this one back on. The USB ports here are quite convenient as well. I mean, it comes in at 5 volts at 2.1 amps total. And the voltage for this too is 110 to 250 watts. So of course you can use this in USA and pretty much you can use this worldwide as well. And the material is made of fireproof ABS material as well. And I'll give you like a look at the bottom here. You can see the bottom here. And this like twists too. Another cool thing is the power cord here. Actually, if I didn't want to extend it all the way out, I can start twisting this and it just keeps winding like inside here. So anyways, this is definitely a convenient little power surge protector I have. And like I said, these are replacing my other ones that I have like laying around all over the place. I'll probably have to get a couple more of these. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next.